In primetime news this evening, cowardly act on Heroes Day. Political leaders promise tough response to mass shooting.
Residents recount chilling details of the deadly mass shooting in Rockford.
And Indicom probe underway after police fatal shooting of 3 men in Clarendon. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the increases in the price of goods and services continue to be a hot-button topic. And this evening, we hear what the IMF has to say about inflation. That and more in the Business Day.
Thanks, Jizzy. And Ronaldo is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, you remember what happened at Caymanas Park yesterday. The Jamaica Racing Commission, they're investigating it. And also the West Indies, they look for a 1-1 series win against Sri Lanka on Wednesday in their ODI series.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what can be done to reduce mass shootings in Jamaica.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us for news in detail right after the break.